Hello my dear students, let's discuss chapter 2 computer memory. So what we discussed last? We discussed introduction to memory, units of memory, internal memory, RAM, ROM and external memory. What we are going to discuss today will be different types of secondary storage devices. Those are floppy disk, zip drive, CD, DVD, BRD, HDD and flash drive. Now first of all, what is secondary storage devices? Okay, let us recall from our previous video. What is primary memory? Primary memory is something main memory that is fixed inside the CPU. Okay, that you can use for storing your things. But the primary memory is not giving us a good amount of data, storage area. Okay, so we can't rely on primary memory for everything. Also it is expensive also, so we need to have some other way of storing our things. So that some other way is secondary memory. So if we need to store large amount of data or programs permanently, we need a cheaper and permanent memory. Such memory is called secondary memory. So we will be discussing secondary memory devices that can be used to store large amount of data, audio, video and multimedia files. Let's start with the floppy disk. Floppy disk. You may have not seen the floppy disk and may have not used also because it is not common and popular in use nowadays. It is one of the oldest storage device. It is small and portable disk that holds 1.44 MB of data. What is portable? Portable means that you can take anywhere. And what is MB? MB we discussed in last, units of memory. So MB is that it can store this amount of data. MB is the unit, megabyte. Then it is a magnetic disk of 3 to 5 inches in diameter. The magnetic platter is placed inside a plastic jacket to save it from heat and dust. You can see this is the plastic jacket around it so that it can be saved from heat and dust. Next we have zip drive. Zip drive is similar to floppy disk developed by Iomega. It was first released in 1994. Zip drive comes in 100 MB and 250 MB of storage capacity. So basically we will be learning the secondary storage devices based on the storage capacity. So this thing is important. What is the storage capacity? Basically we want a secondary memory to store our things, right? So when we want to store something, we need to see what is the capacity, what is the storage capacity that it can take. Okay, so zip drive is also not commonly used and it is replaced by some other latest storage devices. We have compact disc, very popular and commonly used. You all have seen CD. CD full form is compact disc. Now it is an optical disc that was originally meant for storing music. A CD is a shiny color metallic disc of 12 cm in diameter. It is the most popular and the least expensive storage device. It can store up to 700 MB of data like pictures, songs, movies, etc. So CD you all know, very shiny color metallic disc. Okay, and it is not expensive, cheap, and you can store up to 700 MB of data. So it was earlier used for music only, but now you can store many things in it. Then we have digital versatile disk, DVD. This looks similar, exactly similar in shape and size to compact disk. But where does it vary? It is different from CD in terms of its storage capacity. Okay, so DVD has a greater storage capacity. It can store data from 4.7 GB to 17.4 GB. Again, what is GB? Gigabyte. It is unit of memory. Then we have Blu-ray disc. Blu-ray disc again, it's similar to CD and DVD, but it is blue in color and it has a greater storage capacity than CD and DVD both. So it has 25 GB to 33.4 GB. Okay, and it requires a Blu-ray drive to read the content. What is drive? Where you put inside the CD. Okay, that is called as drive. Then we have hard disk drive. What is hard disk drive? It is something that is fixed inside the CPU. Okay, the CD, DVD, then floppy disk, Blu-ray disk, these all were not fixed inside. You can remove it, you can have it. Okay, you can take it outside also, you can carry it anywhere. But this hard disk drive, this you can't carry because it is fixed inside the CPU. Okay, so hard disk drive is the main storage device for computer. It is big in size, hence non-portable. You can't, portable means you can't take it anywhere. It is fixed inside the CPU and it comes with a storage capacity of 1 TB. 1 TB is 1 terabyte, so maximum storage capacity. Then the most popular and everybody has used, everybody has seen, that is flash drive or pen drive. So it is one of the most popular, compact and portable storage device. What do you mean by compact? Compact means small in size. Portable, that you can carry anywhere. It can store data up to 32 GB and so on. You can get it with the greater storage also. It is also known as pen drive, USB drive and thumb drive. Okay, so my dear student, this was about the chapter. We discussed about computer memory. We discussed different types of computer memory and the examples of computer memory. Okay, so please revise the chapter, watch the video carefully, and if you have any doubt, no issues, we'll be discussing it soon. Thank you.